This is how you're going to add a before and after image comparison slider. So let's get started with installing essential add-ons. So first thing, you're going to make sure that you head over first to your WordPress account, and then from here we're going to head over to the plugin section right here. You're just going to hover your mouse over this and then click on add plugin. Now you're just going to search for essential add-ons and then install this. So you will see this icon right there, and then the name is essential add-on. So just make sure that you follow the prompt on installing and activating this one. If you don't know how to install or activate a plugin, you can visit one of our tutorials back and view it right there. Now, once you have this downloaded and activated, you're going to head back to your website editor in Elementor, and then from here you'll be able to see this left side panel, which is for the elements. You can just search for comparison or image comparison from here. So just going to search for this, and then you will be able to see this image comparison. Now, once you see it, you're just going to drag it over to the page, and then you can see it like this. So you're just going to make sure that you drag it over to the page like so. And then from here, you're going to just edit this one. So you'll be able to see this left side panel where you can see the before and after fields or tabs. So you're just going to make sure that you click on the images drop down right there, and then you're going to click first on the before tab, and then once you set the image for the before tab, you're going to move on to the after tab. Now, after that, you'll be able to see all of these right here. Just make sure that you're under the content tab, and then like I said, you're just going to make sure that you are in the right tab once again in the images. So if you want to add a before image, you can just click on the before tab, and if you want to add an after image, you can click on the after image tab. And then you will be able to see the image field right here, which is labeled as number 3. And then after that, once you have your images uploaded, you can just click on publish at the bottom of the page, and that's it. That is how you're going to add a before and after image comparison slider. So this one, you will just have to need to download and activate essential add-ons. But just a quick note for you is that you actually cannot use this element if you don't have the essential add-ons premium or the pro version. So just make sure that you have it in pro. And that's it. Once again, that is how you're going to add a before and after image comparison slider. And if this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.